Let it go.
Today I'm very dirty. I'm very tired. I'm looking somebody to help me and clean me. Hello, clothes. I am there to help you. But who are you? I am Juman's washing machine. I make you look clean and fantastic. But how will you clean me? It's easy. All I need is water, detergent, electricity, and 3 easy steps to make you clean. Wash, rinse, and spin. Wow, that is interesting. Let's see. See, now it's clean. Wow, that is interesting. Come, let's be friends and go home and get free. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't want to know what brand is this because it is making the cloth very clean.
Geometry.
Humans.
Oh, it is only for men, it seems.
No Jeep girls.
No jeep girls? No jeep ladies? But it is front load. I want a top load. Very nice. Thank you. That was great. They deserve even more props than this.